Do you know that you can make money from core? Yes, you can make real money from core. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from core and the core ecosystem. Of course, before now, this might not be the first time that you are hearing about core. Core is the native token of the coredao. Okay, now you may be wondering, what is core all about? Core is an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain that is powered by Bitcoin. Core is a POS layer for Bitcoin, enabling the first implementation of non-custodial Bitcoin staking while supporting a fully EVM compatible Bitcoin finance ecosystem. According to the Bitcoin ecosystem reports, it says that as at the time of recording this video, Core has the largest volume of transaction amongst all the Bitcoin-powered blockchain, and this is a very good news for the Core ecosystem. Of course, we know that Bitcoin has completely changed the world of digital finance. Yes, there is no question about this, but there is something that is missing. And what is that? Yield. Have you ever imagined earning rewards from your Bitcoin without any risk? This is where Core comes in. According to the CoinMarketCap, the maximum supply of Core is 2.1 billion, and it is sitting at a market cap of over $800 million. It has its all-time high as $6.4 and its all-time low as $0.3, and it is sitting at the ranking of 106. Core is currently trading at $0.9 as at the time of recording this video. The coredao have given us the opportunity of coming into the coredao ecosystem and earn money. Yes, I mean it, and make real money. If you go to the coredao website, coredao.org, I'm going to drop the link in the description, you discover that as at the time of recording this video, the total amount of core that has been staked amounts to over 170 million pieces of core. Then the total Bitcoin that has been staked to this ecosystem amounts to over 5,000 plus, and also the Bitcoin hash has been delegated into the core ecosystem, and we have it about 600 EHS. Now, this is very huge. You can imagine a system that allows you to stake your BTC to earn core, and at the same time, you stake core and you also earn core without any risk. This is the way you can make money from core. The first is you can get your BTC. If you have BTC, then you can stake it in the core ecosystem. I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. Then at every 24 hours, you have your rewards being given to you in your wallet. You can as well buy core and you can stake it as well, and you will be given rewards at every 24 hours. This is massive. Yes, I think this is a good news. Before I show you how to stake your core or your BTC, first, core currently is sitting at a price of $0.9. This is a very good opportunity for you to invest into this ecosystem. Yes, a way of making money from it is by investing in it. Then once you buy your core at this low price, we are in 2025, the bull season. Yes, in few months to come, this price will appreciate and you can take your return. It is a way of making profit. As at a month ago, 2 months ago, core was sitting around $1.5, $1.8. But now the market has retraced, and it is an opportunity for investors to come into the ecosystem to buy core and also to stake it if you want to do that. Let me explain what staking is all about. Do not get confused. Staking, in other words, could be referred to as delegating. Now, in a layman's language or in a layman's interpretation, staking is just like your commercial bank, as in your local bank, having some amount of money deposited into the account without touching that amount, and from time to time, within a specific period of time, interest will be given to you. This is something that happens in our various commercial banks today, and I believe you are aware of it. So this is just the best explanation to give to staking as regards to real life. Staking is just like a system where you delegate some amount of core. Let us take, for instance, 100 core, 1000 core, 500 pieces of core. You delegate it into the core website. and you get your daily rewards for staking your core. In this case, you can, after you must have been given your reward, can withdraw your reward, you can sell it off, you can exchange it. Then you can convert the money and have the money transferred into your bank account. And in this way, you earn. Just take, for instance, you have up to 1,000 core. And at the end of the month, you are given some amount of core as reward. Many people today, people who I know, are into this system and they are making huge money from it. Some people stake huge number of core, and at the end of the month, they withdraw that, the reward that is given to them. And these serve as their monthly salary, which they get from the core ecosystem. Now, there is something very, very important and also a good news about this system. It is not like a Ponzi scheme. This is not a Ponzi scheme. Okay, it is not a Ponzi scheme at all. Once what you deposit into the system, at any point in time, you can withdraw it. Okay, you can withdraw what you have deposited, and once you withdraw it, you can go away with it. Now, I am not paid for this promotion. We have been into this system for those of you who were early into the core ecosystem. As at the time the mining commenced in the year 2021, we mined core for a period of approximately 2 years, and core was launched on the 8th of February 2023. So this year makes it 2 years of core's existence. So this is something that we have been into the system before now. And when we say that you can earn money from it, yes, we are speaking from a practical experience. If you are wondering where you can buy core from, in the CoinMarketCap, when you go to the CoinMarketCap and search, you discover that core has been listed in over 40 centralized exchanges. So you can buy core from different centralized exchanges. So now I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can delegate your core or stake your core so that you earn reward from it, and at the end, your reward, you can convert it to money. Now, I have in my BitGet wallet some amounts of core. Now, the apps that you are going to make use of, or rather, the important app you are going to make use of in this, for this is your MetaMask. Okay. Now, you are going to transfer from whatever centralized exchange wherein you have your core. You transfer it from that centralized exchange to your MetaMask. So I'm going to do it right now. On the screen here is my core, okay, in my spot wallet. So I'm going to withdraw it right now by clicking on the withdraw button, which will bring me here. Then I'm going to select core. Then I'm going to click on on-chain withdrawal, which is the first one. Then after that, it will bring me here where I'm going to display, or rather paste, the receiving address. So I'm going to go to my MetaMask right now and get my wallet address. So this is my MetaMask wallet address. I have copied it. Then I'll go back to the BitGet. I'm going to paste it. Then I'll select the network, which is coredao. Then I will impute the amount that I want to send. And for this video, I'll be sending all of them. So I'll just click on all. Then after that, I'm going to click on the withdraw button. Then I will have to perform some security check, after which it will be transferred into my account. So I'm going to get my email, the code that has been sent there, and also my Google Authenticator. So I have successfully withdrawn my core from the centralized exchange, that is my BitGet exchange, wherein I used to have the core. So I'll go over to my to the MetaMask. I'll go over to MetaMask and wait for the coin to drop. So once you confirm that you have received the token in your wallet, so what you do is you click on the browser section of your MetaMask. Then at the search bar, you are going to type stake.coredao.org. This is the website wherein we are going to stake our core. Then you hit on this button to make sure that your wallet is connected. Okay, make sure that the particular wallet that you want to make use of is connected. So you select the wallet, then you hit on the stake now button. All right, then you have to reconnect back the wallet by clicking on connect wallet button. Then you select MetaMask. Then my wallet is connected. Once your wallet is connected, the prefix and the suffix of your wallet address will be displayed here. Then the next thing you do is you are going to search for the validator that you are going to delegate your call to, and make sure that you delegate your call or you stake your call to a validator that is active. Now, this is what I mean by being active. This is validator DAO mining pool 3. Okay, and the status is active, and this person, his status is also active. Okay, so what you do now is you can click on the proceed to stake. Okay, so the minimum amount to stake is 1 core, and here we have the BTC and the core as well. That means you can stake your BTC and at the same time you can stake your core. So what you'll be doing now is, if you want to stake BTC, this is stake BTC button, you click on it, but we want to stake core. Okay, so here we're going to impute the amount of core that we want to stake. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be editing this box and I'm going to impute 10. So I'll be staking 10 core for the purpose of this video. So the next thing we'll do is I'll hit on the confirm button after I have input the amount of core that I want to stake. So I'll click on the confirm button. It will bring me to a page where I'm going to give permission for the execution of the transaction. So just allow it to load for some seconds. Then here, this is an overview of what I want to do. Okay, this is my wallet. Okay, and this is the amount of core that I want to stake, and this is the equivalent in dollars. So I'm going to hit on the confirm button. Then once I do that, it will take me to another page that will show me whether the transaction has been approved or not. Now it says the transaction succeed. 10 core has been successfully staked. Now, if you want to check to know the amount that you have staked already, now this is what we are going to do. You hit on this wallet address section, then you select my staking. You are going to see my staking here. Select my staking. So once you select my staking, you see the record of your staking. As you can see, the title is my staking. Now here I have it says core staked is what? Is 30, and this is the average rate across validator, which is 7.6%. all right, then this is the reward that I have earned because I have staked even before now. It says staked core reward. So this is how you can actually stake your token. I believe this is not confusing. Okay, just take your time, watch this video one after the other, follow the steps accordingly. Now, if you want to claim your reward, okay, let's say at the end of the week, at the end of the day, or at the end of the month, you want to claim your reward, just still come back to this same site and then you hit on the claim button to claim your reward. And once you claim your reward, immediately you claim your reward, you go to the wallet section. This is the wallet section. Once you click on it, the reward will be accumulated into your wallet balance, and that is all. Now, if at some point maybe you feel that you don't want to stake anymore, you can as well unstake. To unstake, we simply click on this button here, these 3 dotted lines. Once you select it, you are going to see undelegate and you are going to see transfer. So if you want to undelegate, like I told you before now, that your asset is secured. If you want to take it out, you can take it out at any time you want. Now you click on undelegate core, then you impute the amount of core that you want to undelegate. Then once you do that, you just click on the confirm undelegate button, and what you have deposited will be withdrawn and it will be accumulated into the balance that you have in your wallet. That is, it will be deposited into your wallet, and that is how you can stake or you can delegate your BTC or your core to earn core. And this core that you earn, you can sell it. You can, making use of a centralized exchange, you can swap it to USDT and sell the USDT and convert the money, send it directly into your account. By so doing, you'll be earning from core. Many people have been doing it. A lot of persons have been doing it. We have been into the system before now, and it has been paying us. Okay, so that is how you can actually make money from the core ecosystem. If you have BTC, if you are not financial buoyant to afford buying BTC or 0.5, 0.1 BTC, you can stake it in this system, and once you stake it, you'll be earning rewards. A lot of Bitcoin investors, many of them are shifting from buying Bitcoin to buying core. Many of them that have Bitcoin, in order to, instead of their Bitcoin to stay in their wallet and remain dormant, they want, or they have put a good number of their BTC in the core ecosystem, where it will be yielding passive income for them. You can imagine staking 0.1 BTC. You know how much that was, and you calculate it according to the APY. You can imagine how many core that you'll be earning on daily basis. Now, you may not have the money for BTC. Core is still on the low side. You can buy core any amount at all. Remember, from what I've shown you in the previous video, I told you that it is just the minimum that you can stake is just one core. I think it is even an average person, a poor person can even do that. Okay, so you buy the one you can buy, then you stake it. So guys, this is what I wish to share with you in this video. Remember, every content of this video or this channel is for educational purpose only. Please make sure that you do your research and make sure that if you want to invest, you can invest what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto and anything can happen at any time. So thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do well to help promote this channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop updates like this in this channel, you get notified. I hope to see you in my next video.